show begins. Sorry I'm late. I apologize, everyone. I try never be late, but right now I was late a little bit, so it is what it is. How's it going, everyone? How was the in-between session between London and New York? What happened so far? Not much, right? Not much. Yeah, I had a trade on gold earlier. We only got up 8, Jonathan. Welcome. There will be giveaway, don't worry. There will be giveaways. Okay. Pretty much sideways action. We had a nice trade earlier in NQ during the London session. That was nice, but you know. Raphael, hello, good morning. Yeah, trades are good. The session was good. London session was great. I had a trade earlier before the stream. I was long on gold, and that was a good one. My entry on gold was, let me see, actually it was, yeah, it was here. I almost got taken out. Let me show you in this fair value gap. My entry was here, almost got taken out. This was my trade. 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio, and as you can see here, it was very close to my stop at one point. It was very close, but eventually it nicely went back up there. So that was the entry. That was the entry. Hello, Gabor. Hello there. Farhad, hey, good to see you back. You think we'll get some good PA today? I really hope so. Well, you know, yesterday it wasn't so bad, but it was definitely tricky. If we look at the, let's go to NQ. Let's check the hourly chart. Look at the hourly chart. Let me get the, okay. So if you look at the hourly chart, and I zoomed out on the hourly, it definitely seems like the market wants to push through. Look at these highs on the left, these head and shoulders situation here, right there. I kind of feel like the market wants to go higher because there could be some orders up there or liquidity. We have relative equal highs here. What I'm looking for is bullish push above 800. Bullish push above 800, that's definitely my plan for today. Obviously, if it drops, we will adapt to the market or react accordingly, right? Kev, hello. Good evening, hello, Bordado. Good to see you. So, relative equal highs here. I believe that there's liquidity above the 800s. I'm getting ready for a possible bullish push here. So yeah. That is basically it. And having said that, there is a very small supply zone right there, which I think we're going into right now. So yeah, bullish push. But what else is to the left? Nothing. Okay. Not much, not much. Good morning, Stefan. Hello. Good morning, Belgium. Welcome. So yeah, that's what I'm looking for on NQ. Buy side liquidity is 812, I think. Victor Bordem, hello. How's it going? We have this 1 minute supply zone still holding. Verbon, how's it going? I like the sound of a bullish push. Me too. Yeah. I definitely into some bullish. If it's not gonna be a bullish push, let's see how far we can drop down here. Okay, so kind of looking for some levels here. This one took it. This, okay, nothing there. There is a 1 minute demand zone here. That's the closest one. It has not been destroyed yet. That is down there at 689. That's a 1 minute demand zone. Now, I think, because it has not been destroyed, technically, if it starts to drop, it could be going all the way down there. This wick here, and this was in the Asia session, this has, okay, yeah, and we have Asia low. So, yeah, and look at that, it almost went down there. Quite interesting, right? But it didn't, so definitely amazing reaction from the market. The distance is not far, 20 something points. It's all right. When I'm moving to Croatia, you know what? I think in a few years, because we were talking about that, right? How do we imagine our years in retirement in trading? Now, I imagine myself as a retired trader in Croatia. I love every country in Europe. Trust me. I think every country is beautiful and great in Europe. Croatia is close to Hungary. I can always, you know, drive a few hours and visit family and friends if I want to. And I can have a nice house at the seaside. How about that? That would be amazing. I mean, not exactly down at the sea. I mean, uphill somewhere, but I would see the sea. Well, so yeah. Sorry, Jonathan. Yeah, exactly. Sorry. Yes. If the election goes absolutely bad and the country is gonna go down the drain, then next year in 2026, I will seriously start to prepare to move to Croatia. No troll, no joke. Really. If the election is gonna go to our current president again, then yeah, I don't see any reason to stay in the country. Running the bot today, last session with 12 micros. Nice, 4080. Dislike on sub. No. Let's see. We're going back to. We are going back to 750. No, yes, 715. Thank you, Rob. Like and sub. Austria is good too. Austria is really nice. Italy, Austria, Croatia, and all, of course, the rest of everything is great. You know. Okay, we're back into this level. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Okay, gold is also going down. NQ up here. All right. We'll see. A 1K account, how many micro can I trade in MNQ? It depends on the broker. Depends on which broker you use. Usually for 1K, as far as I know, they give you like 2 or 3 micros, maybe. I don't know, just a few micros. 2 or 3. Again, it depends on the broker. Long from 701. Some brokers give you like 10 micros. Some only give you 5. Depends on how much leverage they provide you with. With 1K, you're not really getting too much. Have you checked that new one-day payout from Lucid? Not yet. I'm still building Lucid accounts, by the way. Good morning, Trader 007 NQ. What's up? How's it going? Smash the like button, everybody. Thank you, thank you. Usually, you know, I try to be here for about 7 a.m. Until like 9. So that would be the new plan. I wish you the best trading session, Trader 007. Okay, so far not much is happening. Mark, hello. Hey, good to see you, man. How's it going? Can you talk about the differences of one-day payout of Lucid versus take profit trader? Not really. I mean, for Lucid trading, I haven't really went into the fine print and to the smallest details, so I apologize of that. All I know is that you have to be above the safety net, I think. But and I've been told it's very fast. I have to look into the detail. I'm still building my accounts up with Lucid. I didn't even. Not that I don't care, but I do care. I haven't even looked into the details. I know that Take Profit Trader is super simple. You have to reach the safety net with Take Profit Trader. Once you reach the safety net, you can request a payout any day if you're above the safety threshold. And they're going to put that to your wallet. You have a wallet in the dashboard. They're going to put that money into your wallet. And from your wallet, basically, you can request any day. That's how it works. Well, yeah. Satish, hello. Would you mind telling me about the Asia high? Is it a pivot level? Honestly, I'm not using pivot levels. I'm not using, but the Asia high was actually, it was almost like pre-London kill zone up here at 1:12 a.m. So it was technically this day is Eastern Standard Time. It was Friday already. It's actually like after 1 a.m. So, but anyway, I'm not using the pivot points. Not that I think it's bad or anything. I'm just not using it. And usually for Asia low, I use the 8 p.m. Tokyo start here. So in this case, 6:53. I know on a personal account, you can go in a couple of thousand. Oh, if you are grandfathered in from back in the day. Oh, I see. I didn't know that. Yeah, it's crazy price action. It is for sure. I need to make $100 a payout, and I'm just not able to make it less. Well, you know, don't force it, Mark. You know what? Maybe wait until the market open. You gotta wait. This price action is slow. At least statistically, we will have a better chance after 9:30, right? Safety net is the buffer. Sorry, yes, Jonathan. Yeah. Actually, let me check on Lucid website. Just a second, because I should know this. FAQ, payouts, everything, doing getting paid by Lucid. Simulated account fees. Okay. Played. York market. Whoa. Little Bill, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Welcome. Okay, those are just the payout methods. I have to look for another article. Let's see. Lucid Flex Pro. Let's see. Lucid Flex payout. So, you're welcome. I don't know if it's gonna break it. Meet and hello. Or meaty hand, sorry. Nissim, good to see you. Jerry, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Are you waiting for an entry or just analyzing? I'm technically still analyzing. Actually, I'm waiting for an entry. Sorry, I take that back. If we would shift lower, then maybe I would take a trade, a small scalp down to that 1 minute demand zone. As for gold, I had a trade here. This was my trade on gold. It was a pretty good trade. And yeah, now I'm waiting for NQ to go a little bit lower. So yeah, Lucid, profit split structure, payout eligibility, Lucid trading days, minimum 5 separate days, above $150 on the 50K, $100 on the 25K. Net profit in payout cycle. Traders must have a net profit of at least one. Okay, payout maximum. Okay, so okay, this is basically the same as it was on the other account. So 5 minimum trading days on Lucid. That's kind of cool. We have a small fair value gap here. A little bit interesting, to tell you the truth. How about no, okay, never mind. It just repriced this fair value gap, so it's not. What confirmation are you waiting for? I'm waiting for a market structure shift or continuation. In this case, the range is going to be too low. That's the problem. So I'm waiting for a market structure shift to the downside. And I'm waiting for a fair value gap. I'm going to show you an example here, but this is a bullish example. So in this case on gold earlier, as it went down, it swept some liquidity from these swing lows, right? And it went all the way down here. Okay, and then this candle here, this started to shift structure on gold. Here, it shifted structure multiple times here and here. I'm just going to put a level here. So these are market structure shifts on gold, right? Market structure shift. There you go. We left with a fair value gap, a very good one. And you know, if you measure this move, this is right below the 50% level. So it's a really good entry. So I just used this fair value gap with the limit order. My target was the supply zone up there, and so I just took the trade. This is what I need. I need a displacement, aka with with the fair value gap. I need the structure shift, and possibly I need some sort of a liquidity sweep. Now, this wasn't a perfect liquidity sweep, I know that. I would have been happier if this would have swept a swing low here or a fair value gap. But anyway, we took out some levels here and took some orders from the leftover of that fair value gap right there. So it definitely swept that gap, and then it started to move back up there. Anyway. In this case, I was looking for the same thing, but maybe I missed my opportunity here. Maybe I missed my opportunity. I think I missed my opportunity. How about that? I think I missed my opportunity. I mean, I might gonna enter a short. Okay. $6.89. Can we go for it? Let's go with 6.89. I'm in a short position, so I entered now. This is only going to be a 1-to-1 trade, but I entered. Here's my entry. Interesting though. I think I missed my entry right there. Damn it, I missed my entry. Anyway. That should have been my entry. Anyway, let's see. I'm gonna give a second chance to this trade. If it hits my stop, I might going to re-enter higher. So I'm gonna give a second chance to this. Hey Goku, welcome back. How's it going? It was Bloomberg. I saw about JP Morgan. They doing selling the funds percent. Okay, so it could be a sell-off, right? It's still a good short, yeah. That's why I took it. As long as it's positive, you know, as long as I can keep the 1-to-1, it's all right. If it takes me out, because this is a small position, I'm willing to re-enter again, depending on how price action goes. I jumped in because I missed my entry. My entry should have been here, up there, but I missed it. That was the entry which I missed with the limit order, unfortunately, but nevertheless, still okay. I'm okay. It's a small position. If it goes the other way and takes me out again, I might going to re-enter. I just need to close this position to have a clear second position. My target is 89.25. I mean, we still have time, so let's see how it goes, right? That being said, I think overall the market could be extremely bullish today. So this is a low probability setup as far as I'm concerning it, but yeah, nobody's ever lost money waiting. That's true. Take 15 points and run. Is the funding ticks 50 off offer ended? I think it has ended. Let me check. I think they're back to. Let me check. Let me check. Let me check. Funding ticks. I think it's ended. Not sure, but I think it has ended. Looks like a good drop, but you know, it's not over until it's not over. Ninja Trader in 10 minutes. NFP futures crash. Yeah, the future, by the way, NFP has been pushed to 15th, December 15th. So no NFP news, just saying. You're the GOAT. Thank you so much. I appreciate it, but I'm still holding this, so it's not over until it's not over. I'm still kind of waiting. Oh, it's a competition. Sorry. I was actually thinking to enter a competition or not, but honestly, I'm trying to concentrate on my own accounts right now. I don't feel I can concentrate on a competition account next to my funded accounts and evaluation accounts. I wanna use my time to focus on my thing and not on a competition. I'm not saying it's a bad thing. Competitions are awesome, but I mean, not all of them. But anyway. 4 hour gap long midpoint TP 780. Oh my gosh, that could be an issue for me at least. Come on, please just drop down and take the zone down there. But Tom Hoggard said it's all a competition with once. Oh yeah, that's true. It takes time, Mr. Smith. It takes time, man. That's how it goes. It takes time. Yeah, crypto goes to CME. That would be interesting. So if it goes to CME, at least the major ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and maybe some others, but like how, I mean, anyway, I'm kind of curious how the volume is going to go. Any date on that thing, like when they're going to implement it? I heard the news, but I don't know what's the time frame on that. Are you going to take more trades after TP? Yeah, I mean, if I see an opportunity, hold on. First of all, it's not, you know, we don't know if it's gonna hit the TP or not. But anyway, so I had this gold trade. Maybe depending on if I have a zone that I, okay. So on gold, I can imagine a drop. So if gold would like to drop down, then I would take a trade for sure. Derek Sobrian, hello, welcome to the channel. How's it going? Maybe Barbie knows, yeah. Thanks for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. Everybody, Let's do us a favor as a community. Let me switch to the big face here. Everybody, please support the channel by smashing the like button. Thank you so much. All right. What do you like, the big face or the small face? Small face, big face. Thank you so much. I actually have this new camera, so that's why I'm asking. So now we have a much big face is better, right? But the big face, you guys don't see in the background so much. Big face. I can go with the small face. Chart doesn't matter. Chart doesn't matter. All that matters is me. You should face the chart and okay. My gosh, let's. But I'm not. You guys can't see me. Hold on. Oh, video capture device. There you go. I need to move this here. Put this here. Put this here. How about that? I'm in the middle. Almost at the middle. Okay, hold on. It's fine. It's fine. Guys, it's fine. Handsome Tom. Well, this is not that camera. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go back to small face. Let's go. It's better. Let's see. Big Tom is passed. They both for a car ride. But you, yeah. The thing is, this is an awesome camera I have here. So the previous one is definitely not giving us such a clean video. Big face, big heart. Yeah. I like that red glowing thing in the background. Actually, check this out, guys. Hold on. I still haven't put on this poster yet, but I have it. Hold on. Oh, that's not it. Don't worry. That's my Grinch in the back. Okay, anyway. Transform. No, not that. Transform. No. All right. I'm here. So, here's the thing. Here's the thing, everybody. Now, this will go to the background on the wall. This will go on the wall, basically. So, I think this would be a great addition as a decoration on the wall, but I haven't put it on yet. It's kind of getting dustier. So, did you hear about E8 markets? I haven't. All right, I'll try my best. Anyway, I have to. I like this. This movie is super awesome. Oh my gosh, put it back. Anyway, oops, this is something that I want to put back. I mean, on the wall. Yeah, it was a great movie. Sniff the dust. Yeah. Tom Montana, yeah. I think Scarface was an excellent movie. I think it was a great movie. I love it. I just love it. Hold on, the market maker's calling me, guys. It's the market makers. I have to pick this up, man. Just a second. All right, market makers told me, sorry, Tom, we have to send it up there again. So, yeah, they saw it. They told me, sorry, Tom, we know your entry, but we're going to send it back up there. And I was like, no, man. And they just hang up on me. Methodical. Oh, it's out there in the kitchen. It's out there in the kitchen, actually. All right. My God, there's so much dust here, by the way. Say hello to my 1 minute scalp. Yeah. I don't like this, guys. I don't like this. I really don't. It should have dropped by now. But anyway. Oh, wow. Whew. Okay. That's it for gold. Look at that move. Okay. Gold, buy side, 42.73. What's your take on NQ price action this week? Sideways, indecision, risk off scenario. So sideways action. Sideways action daily day trade. I mean, that's what was happening this week so far. So it was kind of weird. It was definitely weird. Yeah, just like, yeah. Mitihan is saying it's normal. It's December. I agree. In December, you can expect it, you know, to be like this. So it's no surprise. It's unfortunately no surprise. This month can do this. Gold save you. Nice. Man, I think this trade is not good. Anyway. Should close it, man. I should close it. Yeah, price action is rubbish for sure. Very much. The thing is, there's nothing on the upside there, so anyway. Yeah, gold is doing its own thing. Well, that would be the usual thing, Jonathan. If gold has that thing, NQ, I mean, according to the old rules, NQ should be dropping, but as you can see, it's not. Gotta check on ES for a second here. Not enough volume. Gotta check on MES. Okay, nothing. Da, 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 da. Interesting reaction. Look at gold. Wow. Spiked up there. And now it's just finished. For breakout traders, exactly. Breakout traders, this could be a little bit difficult because all these sweeps in both directions, you know, it can be dangerous. But yeah. I mean, the orb strategy is great. I think the orb strategy is awesome. But you need to manage the risk properly. So the biggest advantage of the orb strategy is that if it goes into your direction without any, you know, retracement or pullback, it can make you money fast and real good money once it goes. That's the good thing. The bad thing, there could be many fake outs, you know, many fake outs rejecting a certain level and then goes to the other side. It could be a tricky one. Obviously, there are some tricks and solutions how to master that kind of strategy. I don't know. It's all about risk management, you know. That's if so, what symbol are you using for gold? Yeah, it's for gold. Search for it's MGC. Hold on a second. MGC G6. MGC G6. That's what you need to find. G6, exactly. Again, if it takes me out up there, I'm still gonna get a second chance for this trade. So I'm actually in profit. So even if I lose this one, I'm just gonna give back some profit. 1R. So I'm still gonna get one more chance to this trade if it takes my stop. We still got rejected. Yeah. And by the way, usually I don't do this all that often. Usually I just say this at the end of the stream. But I just like to say that if you guys would like to support the channel and me here full time, just use the code TOMSABO. We have some good sales going on. Bulenox is down 85%. Apex is having a huge sale. $6 activation fee. Sorry, it's the dust. MyFundedFutures currently does not having a sale. Still, if you purchase some accounts at MyFundedFutures, please type in the code. That definitely helps if you don't mind. I mean, if you can help out the stream. Take Profit Trader 30% off, and I think today is the last day to get a refund on your initial deposit, on your initial test account if you get the payout. TRADEIFY has the new daily payout plan. Check it out. The code works there as well. So Lucid Trading, FUNDINGTICKS also. So we have some good ones. Thank you. That was the commercial. Thank you so much. Affiliate commissions do help out the stream. Thank you. I appreciate it. Okay. On a few trades last night on gold early. Then as soon as I went bigger size, went into $1,000 drawdown, but oh. Mr. Smith. Lucky you. No, it was good job there. Good job there. You're welcome. If you pass a Lucid Eval, it shall continue trade automatically. It shall continue trade or automatically stop. Well, the trade is not going to stop out itself, so obviously close down the position above the threshold, right? But after you've done that, I think the system recognizes it and it's going to lock your account once you pass the account. So make sure to have a TP on that. I don't speak Spanish, Jenny Zul. I wish I could speak Spanish, actually. Maybe all I know is hola. Hola. Hold on. Let me try to say something in Spanish. Bienvenido.
Bienvenido.
Bienvenido. Right. Gracias por estar aquí. You see? Google Translate, our friend. Hola. Could also move to Lisbon, Portugal, by the ocean, and gas is cheap. Not a bad idea. Speak Baja. I don't know. Lucid has the discount on checkout with their own code. Tell your subs to apply your code. Yeah, so Lucid has a checkout. So Lucid implemented a basic checkout code when you go to the checkout page. It's their own code. If you do the favor for me and for the stream, just to make sure on the checkout page to use the promo code TOMSABO, that definitely would be awesome. Like I always, not just me, like Methodical Man and some others, we're always saying like, whatever you do or whoever you like to maybe support, don't leave it at the prop firm. Support someone who you like, or you like to support a trader, friend, streamer, whoever, but don't leave the basic code at the prop firm. Yeah, Lucid has a basic code. I think FundedFutures Network also has a basic code, which is already put in the checkout page. So thank you. I think NQ is waiting for a news on 20 minutes, but I still short. Yeah, everybody's waiting. But there, are we gonna have some news at 8:30? By the way. Oh yes. Oh, that's Canadian news. Sorry, we have 10 a.m. news. This is Canadian news, but maybe it can still affect the market. We have news at 10 a.m. All right. Russell is changing on the move on the high side. That's not good for our NQ trade. Anyone having a problem with Top Step? I'm not trading Top Step since a while, but I keep hearing that Project X or Top Step X is having some issues. That would be Canadian, not CPI. No CPI news. I think it was, yeah, unemployment change or employment change, unemployment rate, and PCE numbers are going to come out, and University of Michigan consumer sentiment comes out at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard. Will be interesting. I'm not using Bookmap. I tried it, by the way, Jenny Zul. I tried Bookmap, and I'm not saying it's bad. Bookmap is actually, I think it's useful, definitely useful for me, because I'm using my levels. It was confusing, but otherwise, it's a great thing. Nothing against it. If you like to see those areas of high liquidity, then, and it gives you an extra layer of confidence in your trading, then no problem. PCE is the one that Fed look at. Oh, really? Okay. Now, there you go, Jenny. So if you're using it for confirmation, that's extremely good. I mean, you have a system, you have your levels. That I always say, like, it's always important to have the levels on the screen. I'm following my demand zones and supply zones. Whatever is that you're following, having the book map as an extra layer of confluence, why not? You know, why not? Yeah, it seems like 10 a.m. is going to be the thing. The closer we're getting to the 9:30 open, the closer I feel like we should hit that 689 down there. Because I checked on the upside, there's not many places to go. I know we have relative equal highs up there. I know we have relative equal highs. I'm aware of that. Even so, if it goes up there and sweeps that level, I will be still watching that 689 for later. They changed it to 10. You know, but the interesting thing is why they pushed NFP to December 15, right? Kind of interesting also. They pushed it to the middle of December. All right, still just hovering here. Are you trading minis or micros with evals? Micros. Randall, good to see you back. Administration. Long NQ for a break of 700. Oh. Randall, I'm scared now. If you're long and I'm short, no. Funded Futures Network still 50% off and no activation fee, just saying. I don't know if it's a BOGO sale yet, but Funded Futures Network 60% off on resets, yeah. Your TP is going to hit Tom. And you didn't have faith. I'm always having faith. I'm always having faith. Short on NQ. I got in too early, but positive. That's good. That is good. No shorts right here are good as well. I mean, I was just talking about it earlier, Randall, that I think you know, on the higher time frame, I think NQ is bullish. So this is a dangerous short here. It can pop up any second. So it is dangerous. But we like danger, right? So that's how we live. With danger. We like the danger. Come on, baby. Hit the stop. I mean, the TP. Actually. Hit that TP. Come on. Please. All right. We love trading. Okay, down to the zone. This was a nice trade. I liked it. I really did. I really did enjoy this trade. I did enjoy this trade very much. I wish it would be always this simple. Okay, now that we took the zone, maybe we will go higher. I see you. 685. Oh yeah, we got a rejection here. Hey Sam, hello there. Thank you. Let's go. For market open, I would close shorts. Yeah, the market open will be tricky, everyone. We still have Asia low down there at 653. I don't have a level there. But I mean the target, sorry, we have the level Asia low. I mean, at least that's what I think is Asia low. But yes, as Randall is saying, we have to be careful. Market open could push us higher above the 800s. So this zone has been destroyed. This has been destroyed. Yeah. Click like, thank you. Smash the likes, thank you, thank you. So grateful for everybody being here in the stream. I know it's a little bit of a shorter stream right now, where I'm gonna stay still, so I'm gonna be here and let's just wait for whatever NQ or gold is trying to do here. Now, if it wants to go higher, let's just talk about the levels here. We have relative equal highs up there. Okay, that's super important. If it's not gonna get taken out until the market open, I'm definitely gonna talk about it on my funded TV as well. We have relative equal highs, which is kind of juicy. In terms of supply zones, there's nothing here. Let's do a double check. Oh, okay, I take that back. Okay, all right, let's get this off, and let's get this off. We have a 3-minute supply zone, everybody. A 3-minute supply zone up there. Oh my gosh. I usually don't check the 3-minute, but hey, 3-minute supply zone. Right there. It starts at, on the micro, it starts at 719.75. Okay, 719.75. All right. I'm gonna get the, let's clean up the chart a little bit. Okay, we don't need that. Okay, I'm just leaving it for reference for later. Okay, 3-minute supply zone. Okay, swept the lows here. Let's see if it's gonna turn around now. Swept the lows. Let's wait for a potential shift. I'm switching to bullish now, so let's wait. Looking at TRADEIFY. Maybe even a 600. It could go. If it goes down, awesome. I don't have a target. I'm still going to be watching for a potential long position if it happens. I'm betting it does take Asia low, but I'm afraid to trade. It could be. It's very close. Asia low is like, yeah, it's like 30 points. It's nothing for NQ. It's nothing. My opinion is we are getting primed for a huge short by the big boys. They need to push it up as high as, but yeah, they need. I think I mean, yes, on the big picture, I think they want to push it as high as possible. Question is, how far are they willing to go down and sweep liquidity, right? Are they going to go down below 650 or even lower? The thing is, they can't really go down that far, that much. So Asia low, okay, maybe the 600, but they need to push it back to 800 for at least 812 and higher. So if it stays below 600, 607 below the swing low, and if it stays there for until like 1030, so where's 1030? Here's 1030. So if it goes down and it's gonna stay there, then I'm afraid that this is what's gonna happen, you know, for the PM session. But if it's not gonna stay there and we're still around 10, then this is gonna happen, boom, all the way up. I don't know. Or it's just gonna go to the right, you know. DS, thank you for subscribing. Welcome to the channel. We are still in deep premium on the hourly. Oh yeah. So if you guys are subscribing to the channel and it's not popping up an alert, it's because your channel might have been set to private or some setting issue, because Streamlabs only pops the alert if your channel is not like in private settings or something. I don't know the details, but if you want to have an applause, let me know. All the way down to 560. Okay. I like the enthusiasm. I like the energy. 560. Yeah. I mean, yeah. There is a congestion zone here, which is a PM session. That's yesterday PM session. Okay. Why not? Actually. We go all the way down. Yeah, exactly. What time I normally stream? I stream every day from 2 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so in the London kill zone. So 1 hour before London session, 1 hour before the London Open. 2 a.m. somewhere around 4:30 Eastern Standard. And nowadays, in the past couple of weeks, because I'm also hosting, I'm a co-host at MyFundedTV, so I changed my schedule here on the channel. So I'm streaming from 7 a.m. Eastern Standard somewhere around now, because I'm gonna be at MyFundedTV in 30 minutes. So yeah, we have a early New York stream usually, but I stay as long as possible. Oh, I had to take out the trash as well because it's totally full. I have to take it out. So yeah, if we see an opportunity, I'm gladly staying almost until 9 a.m. But yeah. Any flush then push higher. Yeah. We definitely need a structure shift. So you are an employee of MyFundedFutures. I'm not really an employee. Yeah. It's not a bad question, Jonathan. I do get paid by MyFundedFutures, but I'm not an employee. I'm a contractor. I do have a contract, so I have a contract as a contractor with them. There's an NDA in the contract, so I cannot really talk too much about it, but it's like, it's basically almost like a salary, but it's not a salary. I'm a contractor. That's it. But I do get paid by MyFunded TV for co-hosting. Yes, that's true, obviously. Yeah. Like, yeah. Like an independent contractor. Yes, exactly. So I'm not an employee. I pay my own tax. I do my own tax work and papers and everything. And that's it. I guess it's easier for them the way like this. Everybody at MyFunded TV has the same type of contract. Small details, small differences maybe, but obviously I'm not a big shot like Matt Covart. He's definitely has a huge following and a huge influence in the trading space. So my contract, I don't know his contract, but if I would have to bet, he's definitely having a different type of contract than I do. Because I'm just a small streamer. But I'm so grateful for MyFundedFutures for the opportunity. I do think that it's a great thing to be here. I mean, to be there in that community. The hosts are amazing. We have absolutely great vibes, good talks. What else can you want? You know, I love trading. I love doing what I do. I love being here with you guys. The community is awesome. What else can I wish for? I'm feeling totally blessed, you know. Gold is flying. Oh my gosh. It's flying. Like Sonny Hayes. It's flying. Okay, so there was a small pullback here. I did not want to take this trade anyway because I don't have a zone up there. It seems like it's going higher. Buy side liquidity. Okay, it's up there. Careful with gold. Is there news at 8:30? No news. Only Canadian news. There are going to be news at 10 a.m. Funded TV on YouTube. MyFunded TV. Methodical Man really wants to be a permanent host. He is a permanent host. He's doing his segment at with Bull Barbie at 11:30, I think. So yeah, he's already a permanent host, I think. Mr. Kowab is a salesperson, talks about prop discounts more than trade ideas. Oh, I don't know. I think he's, I mean, I can't say even if I want to, I just can't, because genuinely, I think he has an excellent knowledge there. And I do think he is definitely printing the money from trades. And I think he has an awesome system there. Obviously, he trades differently. So I don't know his style in details, but hey. Liquidity been taken out. Oh, okay. Asia low is closed. 10 points. Yeah, Methodical Man. He's cool. Yeah, Matt is great. I like Matt. I genuinely would like to pick his brain of how he built his system, his trading system. And, you know, guys, don't get it mistaken. He also put in years and years of work and failure, sweat and tears. Trust me on that one. I mean, you know, we are all in digital marketing space, right? We are trading prop firms, but there's digital marketing as well. Obviously, everybody wants to make money, right? It's all about business for you guys, for me, for everybody. Let's all make money, not just from trading, of course. But, you know, Matt has reached a lot in trading. So yes, he is also marketing. I mean, he's doing marketing stuff, but hey, I think he deserves it. I mean, he put in lots of work, lots of sweat and tears and failure. But that's the way it is. He talks too much. You know, maybe, I mean, I like people who like to talk, actually. So I like to listen to his theories. There was a day, don't tell this to anyone. There was a day I was watching I was watching MyFundedTV. Barbie and Methodical Man were ending their segment, and Matt was coming on. Matt was coming on with his segment. And Matt was really on fire. Matt was really on fire. He kept Methodical Man and Barbie, he kept them talking and staying. Like, Matt was talking about markets, about systems and everything. And I was like, I was also listening because it was interesting. I was listening and I was like, hey, I mean, you know, Methodical Man and Barbie should have finished at 12:30, right? So it's like 12:45. I'm like, they're sitting here 15 minutes now. 15 minutes. And then Methodical Man says, all right, guys, I gotta go. He just popped out from the stage. Obviously, everybody was cool and Methodical Man. But I was kind of watching the face of Methodical Man, like they were listening to Matt. And I was very interested about the story and the topic. And Methodical Man was, I could see it on his face, like, I really gotta go. What should I do? I need to get out of here. Anyway, just joking. But yeah, Matt likes to talk. Yeah, he works a lot. Yeah. Matt works a lot, by the way. So anyway, whatever. Kudos to Matt. Lots of energy, lots of sweat, tears. But hey, results are also coming in. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna sign off because I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly and I have to take out the trash. All right, thank you so much for watching the show. It was super amazing. We had a great trade on NQ. I'll be at MyFundedTV in 22 minutes. If you guys want to join, make sure to join us there. And I'll be back tomorrow for London and New York. If you would like to support the channel, again, please don't forget to use, yes, I'm also shilling the prop firms. Affiliate commissions do help me out, especially before Christmas. Thank you so much. God bless you all. I'll be at MyFundedTV shortly. Cheers, everyone.